To start learning Java, you first need to set up a development environment in your desktop which will allow you to write, compile, and execute Java programs. Now, to write Java programs, you can use a text editor like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or Atom. But I strongly recommend you not to use the built-in text editors like Notepad in Windows, TextEdit in macOS, etc. These are not suitable for coding. Text editors that are specially built for programming has many features like syntax highlighting, code completion, etc., which will help you a lot in the future. I will stick with Visual Studio Code, it's my favorite, but you are free to choose anyone from these three. It's super easy to download and install these text editors, so I will skip this part, but I will put some useful links in the description which will help you. So once you have a text editor, you can write a Java program. But as you know, you cannot execute this program until and unless you convert this into a machine readable binary form. And you need a compiler to do so. Java provides a development kit that allows us to compile and run Java programs. Before I move forward and show you how you can download and use JDK, let me clear one confusion newcomers in Java faces. There are two JDKs available from Oracle Corporation, Oracle's OpenJDK build and Oracle Jdk. OpenJDK is an open source implementation of Java. It is maintained by Oracle and other open source contributors. As it is an open source project, it's free for commercial use. But the Oracle Jdk is not fully free. You can use it for learning purposes, but to use it commercially, you will need to pay for it. You can visit Oracle's website for further information. Link is in the description. I recommend newcomers to use Oracle JDK instead of OpenJDK at the beginning, and later if required they can easily move to OpenJDK also. To download the Oracle JDK, go to this link. All the Java Standard Edition releases are listed here. You can download any of this, but the latest LTS version is recommended. Click on this JDK download link. Navigate to the available downloads section. Installers are available for macOS and Windows. Download the Windows installer if you are on Windows or macOS installer for macOS. Click on this download link. You need to read and accept their license to download this JDK installer. Once you accept their license agreement, you will be able to click on this download button. It will redirect you to the Oracle account login page. So if you already have an Oracle account, you can enter your credentials and log in using this form. Your download will immediately start after you log in successfully. If you don't have an Oracle account, you can create one from here. Click on this button. Fill out this form carefully and click on this Create Account button. They will send you a verification email. Open your mailbox and click on this Verify button. Now, as you have successfully created your Oracle account, you may log in using the previous form. If it shows session expired or something like that, you can go back and click on that download link again. Once you log in successfully, the download will begin. I already have this installer downloaded. When your download is over, go to the downloads folder and double click on the setup file. A .package file will appear. Again double click on it. And it will open up a new window. click on continue. You need to enter your password to continue. Now it will take a few seconds to install Java on your machine, and it's done. To check if it is working correctly or not, you can open up your terminal and enter java space hyphen hyphen version. And it says we have Java 11 installed. You can also check for the compiler version. That's it.